trying to get it in the video, right? What? This is so fun. This is actually really fun. Ah!
Hello, welcome to the Music Siblings. My name is Rika and that is
Mika, and that is
Maki.
and Miko. And today we're doing a paper airplane origami. So first of all, we're gonna write our names in this paper. I'll show you why later. So first, I write my name. This isn't gonna be pretty writing. Needs to be big.
That's I like how the 2 ones are capital letters, then the last one okay, never mind. Now Maka, write your name.
This would be a big K if you just extend the letter.
Yep. Now Maka, write an A. What?
okay.
Why do you write like?
Don't judge Maka's handwriting.
Yeah, let's just not judge.
Just like I judged yours.
Show me. I'm very good at handwriting. Ah! My paper!
The paper fly away by the invisible wind.
No, it's my turn.
Maki, are you gonna write
I
it
will
first?
write it very. I'm just kidding. I won't do that. Now let's write. Wow.
You're literally taking like the whole paper. I told you.
How are you gonna do that?
Oi! It filled half the paper already.
So,
Oh yeah, I forgot she had an I instead of an A in
and
there.
I also have a K. A K and I are very thin, so that's why it's okay for me to make a fat A, and a fat M.
And a fat
Miraculous.
and a fat eye.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I'll teach
So
Maka and Kuya Maki will teach Kuya Miko.
And a fat dad.
Okay,
Kuya,
so
wait,
you
I
have
want
to fold it like this.
Follow me. Okay. Follow me or else you don't do that.
And then open it again. Okay? Take this and do it that way. You guys can follow me or Kuya Maki.
That was fast.
Okay, Kuya, now release it out.
There we go.
Okay, and
then
bring
release
it
it
down,
and
not
then
all the
like
way. Like this. This much.
I'm trying to. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay?
I'm making it perfect.
I mean, look, it's so
Look,
big.
if it's at least
Yeah.
like this, it's okay.
So
And
big.
now you
It's
fold
almost
it.
to the bottom. It
Maka,
is-
fold it like this again. Okay?
Like what?
This.
Perfect.
Okay.
How do you do that?
Now you.
Look at here. You see the top, right?
Yeah.
Get it
Should
and
I-
fold it.
Should I fold it
And then Kuya, you
here?
need to fold it like this. It has to
I
be
mean,
a
can
little
you
bit
fold
close.
the sides so I know how to do it?
Like this.
Okay. Maka,
Yeah.
now do this.
And
Okay.
then once you're done with that, do the same thing again. Do the same thing
Okay.
again.
Get this bottom
Bottom.
and fold.
Upwards.
Look, there's little houses.
Yeah,
Looks
there's
like a
no-
fruit.
Yeah, it looks like a roof.
Okay.
Except there's no door.
Now fold again this way.
Fold again this way.
Wait, it's okay. It doesn't have to
I mean,
be
go ahead.
perfect.
Can you fold the other sides?
Like
Let's
this.
Fold the other sides, and I will do. And you open it again, so I will do with the flea.
Wait, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
What? I'm a perfectionist.
Kuya, please.
There we go. Look at the airplane.
Okay, now open it. We're done.
I'm not.
Yeah. There, good. That's
Yeah,
it.
we go with everything
That's good
together.
enough. That's good enough. Now, once you're done with that,
Yay!
you grab
Oh,
this
wait.
part.
What did you do?
There
What
you
did you
go.
do?
Magic.
Fold it.
Yeah,
If you
magic.
don't do
Like
that,
this.
the airplane
We
will fly
finished.
very weirdly.
We'll test it later. Okay? Later.
What is this?
Bada bop.
Pop, 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 pop.
Okay. Then
What?
Papa, your airplane.
And then now, Kuya, once you're done with that, you need to bend it.
Peacock.
Or just make it that, or just fold it.
Bang, bang, boom, boom, boom.
Okay, done, that's good.
Like it's this guy.
Kuya, please.
Queen Migos are perfect.
Button below.
Don't mind them.
Press more video to see more
Already,
other videos
Maka?
so you can. Kuya!
Okay.
Kuya, you're taking so long.
This paper airplane is very good. I recommend you do this.
Okay.
If you're gonna make one.
Shooting Kuya.
We're gonna test it later, okay?
Okay.
Now fold it.
I'm done.
Yeah, now, since it's like this, you need to fold it. Look, Kuya.
Like this?
Yeah, and then now it's a paper airplane.
Paper.
Yeah. Anyways,
Okay, let's go!
This is not perfect.
Let's go. Okay, guys, we're done with our paper airplane. So now we're gonna test it in the garden. So whoever wins, the reward is they get to pick anything from Shopee as long as it's under 500. So let's go.
hello, we are gonna test our aeroplanos. Okay, guys? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God! Whose is that? Whose is that?
Fine, of course.
Me and Maga were second. We, Maki, you were last.
Yay, I get the prize.
No? Wait, what? Wait, then whose was here with me? That's yours?
Yeah, this
That's
is mine.
yours!
I get the prize.
Kuya, look, this airplane's gonna go out the window. My airplane! Ah!
Look at mine.
Kuya, I know what to do. Kuya, look at this. My airplane's gonna go that way. What the?
No, Maki's the win.
Where is it going? No, do you know why my airplane always turns? Kuya, my airplane was all the way here. Shush! My airplane, go get it! I will fly mine to the city. It was so fun! One more. Hello, I will test mine again. It will go high. Right? What? This is so fun. This is actually really fun.
Okay, that's it. We're done with the airplane challenge. Like and subscribe and don't forget to press the button down below to see more videos.